definitely wouldn't have gotten my stairs in this past.
A lot of people coming up for the sunset. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on for the sunset. Kamatis, kamatis. Sana all kamatis. A lot of people down there now for the sunset. We're waiting the sunset, guys. We're here at St. Joseph. It's a good sunset. It's nice weather. Foggy. Ayun, nasa taas ang sunset. Sun is still there up, guys. So, ang daming pupunta na dito. St. Joseph's Church for the sunset. Come on, guys. Taas pa, oh. Few minutes. People coming up. People coming up. Come on. Habol-habol sa sunset. It's still there. It's still there. Malapit na matapos, guys, ito St. Joseph and your renovation. Oh, malapit na. By next month siguro pwede na maggala doon. Ayan, oh. Pwede na dyan. Oh, diba? May upuan. Ayan po mga upo-upuan. Airplane. There's airplane over there. Ah, airplane. Andun pong airport. Ayun na airport. For the sunset. St. Joseph Church. A lot of people down there, guys, for the sunset. Nagpipiestahan na po. Sunset! Sunset's over there! You can see this is there, guys. Dito ako nagja-jogging dati, pero ngayon nabihira na lang ako nagja-jogging. Then diretso ko to pataas doon sa taas. I think this one is 93 step both side. Opo, baba, pababa siya. Almost sunset. It's almost down. Wow, it's so red. Come on.
this